Game changer, 10 lead scraping tools to maximize outreach. AnyBiz. Lead scraping, the digital marketing ace up your sleeve. It transforms casual browsers into committed buyers by mining the internet for valuable customer data. With personalized outreach, your messages hit the mark every time, driving unparalleled success in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Lead scraping tools gather customer data online for marketing efficiency. Use must comply with GDPR and ethical standards for privacy and transparency. The benefits of lead scraping tools: more leads, more sales, sharper targeting, save time and effort, cut costs, grow more, personal touch, ready to scale. Lead scraping tools benefit digital marketers, sales teams, and businesses of all sizes. They empower efficient customer targeting, boosting conversions and revenue growth. From tech to finance to e-commerce, these tools accelerate audience expansion and sales generation. 10 essential lead scraping tools. 1. AnyBiz.io revolutionizes B2B lead generation with AI-powered tools that work 24/7. Its outbound agent engages potential clients through personalized outreach, while the inbound agent qualifies leads and schedules meetings automatically. The social media manager boosts brand awareness through automated engagement. Experience seamless lead generation and sales growth with AnyBiz. With pre-warmed email accounts, CRM integration, and access to 80+ million leads, AnyBiz accelerates your business expansion. Automated scheduling, smart decision-making, and multi-channel engagement streamline processes, while email management tools enhance productivity. Unleash your business's potential for explosive growth with AnyBiz. 2. Apollo.io. Apollo.io is like a power-up for finding customers and making sales easier. It's a tool that brings together a huge list of potential customers and smart tech to help you reach out to them more effectively. 3. GetProspect. GetProspect offers a seamless and powerful platform that helps businesses tap into high-quality B2B leads, streamline their outreach campaigns, and open up new avenues for qualified sales opportunities, all with a user-friendly touch. 4. Snuv.io. Snuv.io delivers an integrated solution for B2B companies aiming to optimize lead generation and outreach efforts, combining powerful features with ease of use to ensure your sales team can focus on what they do best: closing deals. 5. Octoparse. Octoparse simplifies web data extraction for all with no coding required. Its visual and intuitive platform makes gathering information from the web effortless, ensuring you get the data you need hassle-free. 6. ZoomInfo. ZoomInfo helps you find out who to talk to, tells you what you need to know about them, and makes sure you're always up to date, making your job of winning new customers a whole lot easier. 7. Adapt.io is a handy tool for businesses looking to get serious about finding new customers and reaching out to them. It makes the whole process of grabbing contact info and talking to potential clients smoother and smarter. 8. Clearbit turns B2B sales and marketing into a smart, targeted effort, helping teams find and connect with the right customers by offering a goldmine of insights on companies and their employees. 9. Webscraper.io makes grabbing data from websites super easy for everyone, no coding needed. Just use their browser add-on, click on what you need, and you're set to collect info from all sorts of websites. 10. Scrap.io is your quick fix for finding B2B leads and company info. It hunts down verified business emails and key company details in no time. How to choose the right lead scraping tool for your business: budget, features, scalability, user support. Leverage lead scraping tools to enhance outreach. Choose the right tool. Integrate with your CRM. Segment leads for targeted messaging. Personalize outreach, automate follow-ups, monitor performance, and adapt strategies. Remember, respect privacy, avoid overreach, and stay updated. Lead scraping tools automate lead collection, enhancing personalized outreach and boosting sales opportunities. AnyBiz stands out, providing precise lead data and advanced outreach features. It's a growth partner, streamlining sales strategies for businesses eager to scale up and boost sales. If you've enjoyed your stay, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons before you go. More exciting updates are on the way.